The world was left stunned when the internationally renowned human rights lawyer Amal Clooney made a shocking move, dragging her own husband, the famous Hollywood actor George Clooney, to the Supreme Court on assault charges. Yes, you heard that correctly. In a twist that no one could have predicted, Amal, a powerhouse in international law, filed a suit against her husband, sparking a wave of speculation and curiosity. How could this happen between one of Hollywood's most iconic couples? Stick with us as we break down everything you need to know about this unbelievable case and what might be behind it. First off, let's get to the core of the allegations. The charges against George Clooney stem from a reported incident at a private event last year. According to sources close to Amal, there was a confrontation during a gathering that involved George allegedly assaulting a close associate. The details remain shrouded in secrecy, but Amal, known for her unwavering dedication to justice, felt compelled to take action, despite her personal connection to George. This is not the kind of case one would expect from such a public power couple. Amal Clooney is no stranger to high-profile legal battles. Her career as a human rights lawyer has brought her to the forefront of global legal cases, advocating for justice and accountability on behalf of the oppressed. She has represented clients in major cases against governments, corporations, and even terrorists. So, when Amal filed these charges, it sent a powerful message that no one, not even her famous husband, is above the law. But why would Amal, who is admired for her diplomacy and professionalism, take such a drastic step? To understand this better, we need to explore what might have happened behind the scenes. For years, the Clooneys have been the picture of marital bliss. Their relationship has been one that many aspire to, with their lavish vacations, red carpet appearances, and their beautiful twin children. However, behind the glamorous facade, could there be a darker side to their relationship? The couple's occasional differences have been whispered about over the years, but no one expected a legal battle of this magnitude. What could have triggered Amal to take such an unexpected course of action? Did a professional disagreement evolve into something more serious, or is there an entirely different motive at play? Amal's decision to go public with such a personal matter speaks volumes about her character, but it also raises questions about George's behavior. Is there more to this case than meets the eye? Naturally, George Clooney's response to the charges has become a subject of much curiosity. As of now, George has remained relatively silent on the matter. However, insiders close to the actor have hinted that George is baffled by Amal's decision, and some sources have claimed that the incident in question was nothing more than a misunderstanding. Could this be a simple case of miscommunication, or is there something more sinister behind the scenes? With Amal's reputation for being a meticulous and calculated lawyer, it's unlikely that she would bring such serious charges without concrete evidence. This is a move that could change everything for the Clooney family, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Now that Amal has taken the case all the way to the Supreme Court, the entire world is watching. This marks a new chapter not only in their relationship but also in the legal history of celebrity couples. What is Amal hoping to achieve with such a high-profile case? Is she seeking justice for the alleged victim, or is this a personal vendetta? No matter the outcome, the case is poised to shake the Clooney family to its core. The legal team representing Amal is world-class, and their strategy is bound to be closely watched. The spotlight will be on the Supreme Court as they examine the details of this highly publicized case. Will justice prevail, or will George's side of the story change the narrative? One of the most significant consequences of this legal battle is the effect it will have on their family life. Amal and George have always maintained a relatively private and close-knit family life, with their twins often seen on outings in public. But now, with their relationship thrust into the public eye, how will this affect their children? Will they have to navigate the tension and media frenzy, or will their parents be able to shield them from the storm? This trial will likely have a lasting impact on both George and Amal's professional and personal lives. The world is watching, and the consequences of this case are more far-reaching than just a legal dispute. One of the most pressing questions on everyone's mind is, will George and Amal Clooney remain together after this scandal? Relationships in the public eye are never easy, and this latest development will undoubtedly test the strength of their bond. Some believe that this could be the tipping point for their marriage, while others speculate that they may be able to weather this storm together. Only time will tell. As we watch this case unfold, the Clooneys will undoubtedly become the subject of countless headlines. Their relationship, once seen as unshakable, is now facing one of its biggest challenges yet. In conclusion, the Amal Clooney vs. George Clooney case is one of the most unexpected celebrity scandals we've seen in recent years. From Amal's surprise decision to bring her husband to the Supreme Court to the world watching every step of their legal battle, this is a story that will keep us all hooked. Will George Clooney's reputation survive, or will this lead to a dramatic shift in how we view the Clooney family?